We just finished dinner, we're out camping.
But I don't want this.
And I just wanted to do a overnight oats and we'll taste it in the morning. I have just plain rolled oats, 1 cup. You need a bowl with a lid so that we can put the lid on and put it in the fridge overnight. We're going to put in 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 heaped teaspoon of cacao powder, some raw honey, and I'm going to do 1 cup of almond milk. Give that a stir. And then we might add a little bit more almond milk because we've put the chia seeds in, so they're going to soak up quite a bit of that. Alright, so at this point we're going to do another half a cup of milk. Rough measurements are okay. Alright, give that a good stir and then we'll put that in the fridge. We'll taste in the morning. I would like some breakfast.
Draw 2.
Okay, let's taste, hey? So I made this yesterday.
Yeah.
Chocolate, overnight oats, and we're going to put some crushed macadamia nuts on top. Want to taste?
Yeah.
Make some. What's on top? Sprinkle some on top.
I thought it was ginger.
No.
Me too. I thought it was ginger. I got the little one. I'm gonna mix it around.
Yummy. I like it. Do you reckon?
Yeah.
Yeah? It's nice with the macadamia nuts, crunchy on top. Thanks for watching. Subscribe below and hit the bell.
Don't forget to hit the like button.